Hello dear friends, do you know you can create AI video or animated video with WhatsApp? And if you want to create your own video, then open your WhatsApp app. And at the bottom right corner, you see Meta AI icon here. So click on it. First, you gotta give a prompt here. So I'm gonna give my prompt. So this is my prompt. Create a realistic rabbit playing in a garden. Now click on the send button. First, you gotta download this. So this is the picture that Meta AI has generated for me, okay? Now this is a still picture. Now I'm gonna create a video from this picture. So how to create this? You gotta give another prompt here. So I'm gonna give my another prompt here. Animate the above picture. Now click on the send button. First you gotta download this video. So just click on it. And now see the video. The rabbit is being animated. So this is how you can make AI generated video on WhatsApp. If you want, you can download this video on your phone gallery too. To download this video, just click on the three dot icon in the top right corner. Now click on save. And now your video is saved on your phone gallery. Okay, now go back. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.